Subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay inquisitive and keep If you enjoyed what you just watched, give us a thumbs up and days into hours. Now that's efficiency. Built for hard work, taking on brutal conditions without breaking a sweat. Every swing of the hammer makes the job easier, turning what used to take...
Hey, venga!
If you've ever worked in tough terrain, you know the challenge. The Shantui SD22 with a hydraulic hammer is a game changer, breaking down rock on a mountain road like a pro. It's Have you ever wondered how engineers create floating structures? Let me introduce you to the Amphibious excavator. This powerful machine is made for marine construction, maintaining its balance on specialized pontoons while navigating underwater with accuracy. If you're a fan of heavy machinery, this one's definitely worth checking out. Getting that excavator track in place was like threading a needle, except the needle weighs a ton, and there's no room for mistakes. But they handled it like seasoned pros, smooth, efficient, and totally in control. Gotta respect that skill. Failure. While his technique showed a lack of experience, but to be fair, he still pulled it off in the end. I've seen operators try to save a few bucks, but this? Running an excavator at extreme angles drains oil pressure, risking total failure. Kind of expertise that keeps tough jobs running smoothly. Absolute genius. Now that's what I call a pro move. This excavator isn't just climbing, it's dominating that incline with precision. The operator knows exactly how to distribute weight, using just the right amount of hydraulic power to stay in control. This is the Look at this teamwork. The dozer and excavator are moving in sync, tackling a tough job on rough terrain. One wrong move and boom, they could tip or damage the machinery. The dozer's undercarriage and hydraulic system are taking a beating, handling massive stress with every shift. But these operators, they know exactly what they're doing. Every movement is calculated. Hats off to these pros for pulling off such a risky operation with absolute control. The operator displayed exceptional skill, and the engine's sound was quite impressive. However, when the goosenecks are reshaped, they won't slide in that manner. It's time for the builders to take this improvement into account. Skilled operators who make it look effortless. Their sharp precision. But let's be real. None of this would be possible without those hydraulic legs allow it to climb insane slopes and stay balanced while demolishing this safeguard wall with laser. But don't be fooled. It's all about function, not just looks. Whoa! Have you ever seen a machine like the Menzi Mucka 81 in action? This thing looks like a robotic spider straight out of a sci-fi flick. Talk about power and teamwork in action. That's a solid 100-point move right there. And just like that, the Caterpillar D6RXL is back in action, pushing forward like a true workhorse. Whether it's grading, dozing, or land clearing, this machine proves why Caterpillar remains a leader in heavy equipment. Caterpillar D7G just yanked the stuck Cat D6R out like it was nothing. Did you see that? The performance. If you're looking for a machine that combines precision and power, this one's a clear choice. To 6.62 meters, or reaching out 9.87 meters, it's built for precision-heavy jobs. With 35.3 megapascals of hydraulic power, it makes short work of even the most demanding tasks. Whether it's dredging, the 200 long reach is the machine you want on your side when it comes to tough, precision. The Komatsu piece. Needing constant repositioning. This makes it the perfect tool for large dredging projects. You're going to love how easy this makes it. To solve that, it can access deep, tricky areas without, you name it. But guess what? The dredging excavator is here. Okay, let's dive in. Sediment buildup is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to water flow issues, blockages, flooding. the kind of skill that takes time to master, and today, it saved lives. This is the kind of act that restores faith in humanity. Years on the job, he moved with confidence, making sure the deer weren't harmed. Exactly how to handle the digger. Steady, controlled, and careful. Rescuing animals with heavy machinery isn't easy, but experience makes all the difference. This operator knew exactly. As the Cat 215 digs into the stubborn tree, it's clear this is no easy feat. The machine's power is undeniable, but the tree's unyielding resistance is pushing the excavator to its breaking point. It's intense. Oh, it looks like we're witnessing a special performance from the excavator operator. Enough to operate it, the experience is nothing short of impressive. It's Komatsu SAA 6D140E-5. Engine purrs with 370 horsepower, a deep sound that signals power and reliability. For anyone lucky enough... Ever heard the roar of a Komatsu PC700? It's not just any excavator. This heavy-duty beast thrives in the toughest environments, whether it's construction sites or mining operations. With its sturdy frame and tough mechanical parts, this excavator can take on the heaviest loads, working tirelessly for hours. The straps, the angle of the bucket, and the balance of the tractor all determine whether this is a daring success or a disaster waiting to happen. Be under pressure. A controlled lift like this demands precise coordination. It's a raw display of human ingenuity. Every move is calculated and efficient, a perfect example of human engineering at its best. Have you ever watched a Cat 320D dig a trench? It's almost mesmerizing how the excavator's arm moves with such precision, carving through the earth like it's slicing butter. The way the bucket scoops up soil and dumps it effortlessly into piles is fascinating. cubic meters of sediment without breaking a sweat. Out global trade. It's incredible how such engineering brilliance can clear millions of It doesn't just dig, it transforms the way we think about flexing 10 cubic meter scoops and an insane 4,300 kilowatts plus power to keep crucial shipping lanes like Klaipeda deep enough for massive ships. Van Ord's Goliath isn't your typical dredger. It's a giant, amazing, moving just right. For big jobs, it's a game changer. It lies in controlling that delicate steam pressure to get the shovel. It's incredible how this machine moves 20 tons of material with ease. But it's not just the engine, it's all about the operator. The real magic, its engine roaring with over 200 horsepower, 90-ton steam shovel powers up. Imagine the steam hissing as the Ruston Hornsby process, but when done right, it's a sight to behold. It's about calculated moves to prevent disaster. It's a slow and steady the heavy load without compromising safety. It's not just about power. The hydraulic system on the crane must be flawless to handle, as even the slightest mistake could worsen the situation. This is an intense situation. Precision is key. Oh my gosh, that Cat 320B must have been working its heart out to overheat like that. You can almost feel the heat radiating from the engine. Thankfully, the operator made it out safely. This is a classic mistake. When loading a dozer, positioning is everything. Blade to the back, always. Why? Better balance, safer transport, and if you need extra clearance, that blade can lift you up. The way he did it made things harder than they needed to be. Lucky for him, nothing went wrong. But next time, let's keep it smooth and safe. That said, he still got the job done well in the end. Respect for his effort.
Entre la base puis le beau, en fait. Ça, la 250, 50. Ouais, je pense qu'ils ont mieux que ça, là. Ben, pour...
Tricky situation.
Non, ça, j'ai une couple de vidéos. J'en ai une là-dessus.
Stable equipment and a clear demolition strategy. It's a smart solution for a dust contained. The key here is control. Skilled operators, this method ensures precision, removing sections bit by bit while keeping debris in the job. Instead of risky implosions or uncontrolled collapses, urban space is no small challenge, but this high-reach excavator is the perfect tool for taking down a multi-story building in a tight and let me know your thoughts if you find it impressive. Or is this boat staying put? Leave a comment. A houseboat is stuck, and even the pros are struggling. Heavy-duty machines are giving it their all, but will it be enough? Every pull, every movement, pure suspense. Will they make it?